Hi, I'm Melissa Matthews with the APH Connect Center. Welcome to our Bringing Braille Basics Home series. In this video, we will learn the numbers 0 through 9 and the number indicator. Let's get started creating some Braille using Perky Duck. SimBraille will allow you to see all 6 dots of the Braille cell. The cell that are being used will have larger black dots, and the cells not being used will be small black dots. You will use your keyboard. It uses 6 keys corresponding to the Braille cell to create the Braille letters we will learn today. Locate the letters F, D, S, J, K, L on your keyboard. F.1, D.2, S.3, J.4, K.5, L.6. Practice pressing 2 keys simultaneously. This will need to be done to create letters. Okay, let's start creating some Braille. Using your left hand, place your fingers on dot 1, 2, and 3. Using your right hand, place your fingers on dot 4, 5, and 6. First, we will learn the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You will notice the same pattern as before with the alphabet. To make the number 1, press dot 1. Practice this 5 times. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. To make the number 2, press dot 1 and 2. Practice this 5 times. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. To make the number 3, press dots 1 and 4. Practice this 5 times. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. To make the number 4, press dots 1, 4, and 5. Practice this 5 times. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. To make the number 5, press dot 1 and 5. Practice this 5 times. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Wonderful! Let's make some number combinations. 145. 1, 4, 5. 321. 3, 2, 1. 524. 5, 2, 4. Awesome! Now let's learn the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. The pattern will continue as did the alphabet. To make the number 6, press dot 1, 2, and 4. Practice this 5 times. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. To make the number 7, press dots 1, 2, 4, and 5. Practice this 5 times. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. To make the number 8, press dots 1, 2, and 5. Practice this 5 times. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. To make the number 9, press dot 2 and 4. Practice this 5 times. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. To make the number 0, press dot 2, 4, and 5. Practice this 5 times. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Awesome! Now let's make some number combinations. 678. 6, 7, 8. 906. 9, 0, 6. 879. 8, 7, 9. To indicate that we are using a number and not letters, we will need to learn the number indicator, which is written like this. Dot 3, 4, 5, 6. Place your fingers on there and practice the number indicator. Number, 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 number. When you are numbering a paper, for example, a spelling test, you would put the number sign, the number, and then a period. When you are writing a 4-digit number, place a comma, dot 2, between the first and second numbers. For example, 1, comma, 2, 0, 0. Congratulations! You have finished Lesson 5. Below the video, you will find a document to further practice your Braille skills. Practicing will help you be able to press the keys together to make the Braille letters.